In this video, we're diving into the Price Action Concepts Indicator by LuxAlgo. Widely used in Forex, crypto, and stock trading, this indicator pinpoints where big institutional players might be stepping in. If you're into trading based on market structure, liquidity, and price action, this tool can be a game changer. It automatically identifies key market structures, fair value gaps, and volumetric order blocks, streamlining your analysis so you can focus on making smart trading decisions. I'll break down the most popular features of this indicator, walk you through the setup, and show you how to use it effectively in real trading scenarios. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video, as we'll also cover how to use price action bouncing off order blocks or getting rejected by them as a highly profitable trade setup. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what exactly is the Price Action Concepts Indicator? This tool gives you a clear market overview, highlighting essential elements like market structure, liquidity zones, and key price action points. Setting up the indicator on your chart is a simple process. Click on Indicators, search for Price Action Concepts, and select the Price Action Concepts by LuxAlgo. That's it. Now, let's go over the most used key features of the Price Action Concepts Indicator. The Price Action Concepts Indicator automatically labels key market structures like change of character and break of structure, signaling potential trend changes. This feature is essential for spotting market direction and making well-informed trading decisions. It also highlights equal highs and lows, often marking possible reversal points. Additionally, the indicator plots volumetric order blocks and fair value gaps, allowing you to easily identify significant price levels and market imbalances. No manual analysis needed. Let's focus on the essential settings of the Price Action Concepts Indicator that you need to know to get the most out of it. For internal structure settings, enabling internal structure by setting this option to All will display internal structure labels and dashed lines to represent them. Labels like break of structure and change of character will appear on your chart, providing insights into market movements. The swing structure setting, when enabled, displays swing structure labels and solid lines on the chart, showing larger break of structure and change of character labels. The color candles option enables you to color the price bars based on the internal and swing market structures from within the indicator. This visual aid helps you quickly identify the current market state. In the order block settings, you can control if you want the order blocks to appear on the chart by enabling or disabling the Show Last option. By checking or unchecking this, you can choose to display recent order blocks, and you can adjust the number shown as per your preference. There's also an option to enable or disable internal buy-sell activity, which gives you an estimated view of the buying and selling actions within the area, helping to visualize the internal structure of each order block. The Show Breakers option allows you to display breaker blocks directly on the chart, providing a unique perspective on potential price reversals. You'll also find an option for length, which adjusts the look-back period for detecting swing points, crucial in constructing accurate order blocks. Finally, the time frame setting lets you choose a different time frame as the source. So while you might be on the 2-hour chart, setting this to daily allows you to see order blocks from a higher time frame, giving you a broader view of market activity. In the Liquidity Concepts section, the Equal Highs and Lows option lets you display labels for these levels on the chart. You can adjust the period of displayed equal highs and lows, choosing between short-term or long-term, to fine-tune the sensitivity for identifying these key levels. In the Imbalance Concepts section, you have several options to highlight imbalances on the chart, including fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, and opening gaps. These settings help you display key imbalance areas directly on your chart. You can also select a specific time frame for detecting these gaps, providing a higher level view. The volatility threshold setting filters out minor gaps to focus on more significant ones, and the Extend option allows you to adjust how many bars each highlighted gap extends across the chart. The Premium and Discount Zone setting enables you to display premium, discount, and equilibrium zones on the chart. These zones help you identify areas where the price is considered overvalued or undervalued. Lastly, the Highs and Lows (MTF) section allows you to display previous highs and lows from daily, weekly, and monthly timeframes as significant levels on your chart. Simply check the boxes for daily, weekly, or monthly and select the desired color. The first buy trade setup we'll explore is the simplest way to use this indicator. Start by opening the indicator settings and turning off all options except for internal market structure. Set the value to 10, then click OK. To execute the trade, begin by identifying a bullish change of character. Wait for the market to confirm this with a bullish break of structure, signaled by a green dashed line and a text indicating a bullish market trend. Once confirmed, enter a buy trade at the opening of the next candlestick. Set your stop loss just below the recent swing low, aiming for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And here is how it plays out. Alright, now let's see a sell trade setup. Start by identifying a bearish change of character. Then, wait for the market to confirm with a bearish break of structure, indicated by a red dashed line and text signaling a bearish trend. Once confirmed, enter a sell trade at the opening of the next candlestick. Position your stop loss just above the recent swing high, targeting a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Here's how it turned out. For the next trade setup, you will need to go back to the indicator settings, enable imbalance concepts and choose FVG. Then, extend the imbalance by 50 for better visibility. For a buy trade, begin by identifying a bullish change of character. Then, wait for the market to confirm with a bullish break of structure label. Notice if there's a bullish fair value gap below the current price action. Once the market trades below the midpoint of this FVG, that's your cue to enter a buy trade at that level. Set your stop loss either just below the fair value gap or the recent swing low. For taking profit, aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, depending on your risk preference. For a sell trade, start by identifying a bearish change of character. Wait for the market to confirm this with a bearish break of structure label. Look for a bearish fair value gap positioned above the current price action. Once the market trades above the midpoint of this FVG, it signals an entry point for a sell trade at that level. Set your stop loss just above the fair value gap or the recent swing high. For taking profit, target a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Let's dive into order block trade setups with one example for a buy and one for a sell trade. To start, go to the indicator settings, disable internal market structure, and enable order blocks. Set the time frame to a higher one. In this case, since we're on the 2-hour chart, set it to the daily time frame for order blocks. For a buy trade, first locate a volumetric order block positioned below the current price action. Wait for the price to dip back into this order block. Once this happens, watch for a bullish candlestick that is fully outside the order block as confirmation. At this point, enter a buy trade. Set your stop loss just below the order block, aiming for a 1 to 3 risk-to-reward ratio on the profit target. And for a sell trade, start by identifying a volumetric order block located above the current price action. Wait for the price to push back up into this order block. Then, look for a bearish candlestick to close, which is completely located outside the order block as a sell confirmation. Enter a sell trade here, placing your stop loss just above the order block and setting a profit target with a 1 to 3 risk-to-reward ratio. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.